guys. Yeah, we are also enjoying the walk here. So, diabetes is one of the silent killers, and the basic theory is like it's just insulin resistance due to continuous high blood glucose level. And the walking is one of the best ways to reduce your blood glucose and ultimate the insulin resistance.
It's a Saturday morning, so thank you everybody for making the effort, coming out in numbers. We got maybe more people coming as well soon who started a bit late or are still walking. So in the interest of everybody being here, we would like to start.
About Google. It was truly incredible that they could do that in the middle of nowhere. And, we live in one of the greatest countries in the world, even what is arguably.
I can say is it's wonderful walking, and for whoever did, and I'm sure you must have burned some calories.
Good morning, we're all here for a walk for the Diabetes Centre to create awareness around the importance of this as a disease and how it's a lifestyle disease. And so therefore things like activity like walking along with your appropriate diet and other important lifestyle things are critical for diabetes. So we're just trying to create awareness so that people do the necessary tests, make sure they don't miss it, and live a healthy lifestyle.
Good morning, we are here in Adelaide, a very beautiful city of Adelaide, to support the Diabetic Centre. And with family, you can see left and right, all people come here to support this good cause. And this is a big issue in Pakistan. Pakistan is the highest diabetics issue, and together we can make a difference.
Hi, good morning here. The Diabetic Centre has organized a lovely walk here just for the awareness of the diabetes people, and we joined here by lovely local people here for the awareness, and they are joining here for the walk. I'm just going to interview a lovely person here, Luke, with his daughter. So Luke, here's a couple of words about the diabetes.
Hello, we're here for the Diabetes Walk today, very excited. I think it's very important to raise awareness for diabetes. We're here with Lara. You excited for the walk today?
Yeah.
What's your superhero name?
Diabetes.
Diabetes. Yeah, I think it's an important day, very excited. Thanks for organising it.